Now we need to have a business email, right? So let's create you one. So when you go again below this lesson, there is in resources area, you can create a business email with your own domain. So you click on that, and we use Google Workspace. Google provides superior solution for this, right? We can create custom email with our company domain. So we click on get started. Now again, you put the business name, right? Whatever that might be, a number of employees. If it's just you, then just choose that. Here you put your country, right? If you are in United States, then just choose that, right? And then you fill it out. So you were supposed to grab a domain already, right? So you should choose, yes, I have one I can use. So here you put your domain name. I'm making this up so I can show you the next steps. And now, so this is where and this is how your business email will show up, right? So you want to use your first name. And later, if you want to, you can also set up another email for your support, right? Now here you put password. You say that you are not a robot. Okay. So when you have just one email, you will pay around $6 per month, right? You will get it 14 days for free. Here you can review your information. You put your address and you choose your payment method. And yuppie, our Google Workspace account has been created just like that. So continue to set up. And this is your admin console. And so here you need to verify your domain. So to verify your domain, you need to grab this txt record. So just copy that. And then now you want to go to your domain. And I register my domain via Namecheap, but you can have it in ClickFunnels or somewhere else, but principle stays the same. You want to find DNS settings of your domain. So you go to, in Namecheap it is called Advanced DNS, and then here we need to add this record, right? You just want to follow the instructions. So you add a new record and you choose txt record, add, and then you paste that link, right? And then you save it. And afterwards we follow the instructions. So if you put that record correctly in your DNS settings of your domain and click on verify, it may take up to 14-15 minutes till it gets verified, but if you've done it correctly, it should be verified. And then they may also want to have, if they want CNAME record, then just put that in your DNS settings as well. Make sure that you've put it exactly the way they want. They give you the step-by-step instructions. You know, sometimes I forget this little dot at the end and it's just not working. So make sure it looks exactly the same. And then at the end, the last thing that you need to do in Namecheap, these are like host records, but when you scroll to the bottom, here are mail settings and you want to choose custom MX, and then you want to add these 5 MX records. So often with my clients, this is the step why the email usually is not working. So make sure that you do not forget this step, and you can pause this video and add exactly these records, just like I have it, and it should work. So just come to mail settings and add a new record, right? And put add and value. So you want to pause this video and just rewrite it. And make sure that you choose like the value changes, right? And also this is changing as well. So just make sure that you have them all, and then it should work. So pause it and do it right away. And when you are done and your domain actually gets verified in your Google Workspace, you should be able to start sending, emails from your business email. You want to test it out. You want to send an email to, let's say, to your another email, to classic Gmail or some other email that you may have, and see if it's working. And also send like the other way around, send from Gmail to your business email if you also receive the email. And also, now we have, when we successfully set up a business email, we can start sending emails in bulk, like to all of your contacts at once. You may not have like any contacts yet, but once we start building your list, you will be able to send, like, you just write one email and send it to 1,000 contacts, let's say, for example, okay? Now, when you are logged in your Google account, in your Google admin, in users, when you go there, this is where you actually can add a new user if you want to add support email, right? So you add new user and you put, like, in here you choose support, right? And here you can put like Mario support team, and and secondary email, phone number, and then you just add new user. And another thing is if we will be using it through Autoresponder Active Campaign, sending emails in bulk, right? And for email automations, but also people will be writing you there, right? So, and you can also write emails from that business email. You can exchange that, you can put it to your Calendly, right? You can basically now use these emails everywhere. And the way how you work with this email is actually the same as Gmail, right? So if you have Gmail, then you come here and you go to Gmail, and that you can write as just from a regular Gmail, but you will be writing from your own domain email, okay? So I just wanted to mention that.